This is just a quick review of circumference and area of a circle. Here we have a circle. We have the radiuses or radii. Notice it looks like eyes, radii. One on this side of the dot, center of the circle, one on the other side. The diameter is the same as 2 radii. So we have our circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, or diameter times pi. So you have 2 radiuses times pi, or the diameter times pi. If you're given a diameter, you can just put diameter times pi. For example, if my diameter is 10 centimeters, if diameter is 10 centimeters, and I'd like to know what is the circumference. Circumference is equal to diameter pi, which is the same as 10 pi centimeters. You can leave it like this unless it asks you to round to the nearest tenth or whatever number. So if we change this to approximate pi at 3.14, we say 10 times 3.14 centimeters, which is 31.4 centimeters approximately. Pi is not 3.54, is the approximation. Next we have pi, finding the area using pi and r squared, which is the formula for here. So if my diameter was 10, as I mentioned before, then the radius is half of 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, right? So if this is 10, this is 5 and 5. So I put a 5 there. So if I wanted to find the area of the same set circle, area pi, r happens to be half of d, which is 10 divided by 2, which is 5, right there. So therefore, I have 5 squared. Having 5 squared, this becomes 25 pi centimeters squared. Yes, it's centimeters squared because we're dealing with area. You can leave it in terms of pi, or you can multiply 25 times 3.14. Same thing. And we'll have an answer. We will have to multiply all that out, and we will get an answer. Let's do it here. 25, 3.14. This is 20, 10. All right, 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. This here gives us 25. And this here gives us 75. We add all of those together, and we'll have 0, 5, 8, 7. Since pi is the decimals here, we multiply 2, approximation here, centimeters squared. So if we actually, instead of leaving it like this, we want to actually use, or they ask you to round to the nearest tenth or hundredth, then therefore you have this number here, 78.50 or 78.5. That right there is circumference and area of a circle.